Do you know many people are having trouble with driving on the spare tire of their Honda Accord? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Check air pressure. Check the air pressure of the spare tire regularly. It should be at 60 C 420 kPa. Step 2. Stay below 50 emp. Do not exceed 50 emp EDCAM/H while driving on the spare tire. Step 3. Drive cautiously. Drive cautiously as the spare tire gives a harsher ride and less traction. Step 4. Avoid snow chains. Avoid mounting snow chains on the spare tire. Step 5. Replace worn spare. Replace the spare tire when the tread wear indicators become visible. Step 6. Use spare temporarily. The compact spare tire is for temporary use only. Repair or replace your regular tire ASAP. By following these steps, you should be able to safely and effectively use the spare tire on your Honda Accord. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Honda users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.